The first thing you're going to do is take your one band piece and place it on top of the other band piece and align the four edges of your band pieces, particularly the two short ends. You're going to want to make sure those are really nicely aligned because that's the parts that you're going to be sewing. So line up the two ends and then sew along one side and sew along the other side. Now that you've sewn the two ends, you can begin folding the band in half. So take your two edges and align them so the wrong sides of the fabric are together, your cut edges are aligned, and make sure your seam is aligned. Then you put a clip and move over to the other side. Make sure you're aligning your two ends of your seam. The cut edges aren't going to be aligned, and you can clip that together. Now you're going to want to fold all the way around the band. Fold the entire band, aligning your cut edges. And I like to place the clips right at the quarter marks. So what I do is I align the two seams, the clips where the two seams are. And then I just sort of pull my finger along the edge until I get that halfway point in between them. Make sure the cut edges are nicely aligned, and then you can place a clip there. And you're going to continue that process all the way around. I like to put maybe 8 or so clips or pins, but you just want to align those cut edges so the wrong sides of the fabric are together, the right sides of the fabric are face out, your cut edges are together, and you've got a fold.